We are really not sure when this World Cup is going to happen, but as in whenever it happens, we will have fair amount of time to prepare for it. I'm pretty sure that the cricket boards around the world are not just going to say, okay, everything is fine, we will just schedule the World Cup. Of course, there will be preparation time that will be given to all the countries, because all the countries are under lockdown. Nobody is playing or nobody is practicing, nobody is training, besides staying in home and doing limited stuff. And that is not enough. You know what I mean. You need to go out there in the gym and start training and get into that routine, get your muscles strong, especially for me, because I was injured before all this happened. So I have a lot of work to do before I start playing. I was just around the corner to do my fitness test until the lockdown happened. So the first thing for me would be to just go and do the fitness test and pass the fitness test, and then obviously hit some balls, because it's been a while. The last ball I played was 2nd Feb. It's been a while. That is the day I got injured. So it's been a while for me. So I'm quite looking forward to go out there and play and do what I love the most. And I'm sure it's the same for all of us.
Whenever sport comes back, if it is in an empty stadium, will you be okay in playing? Will you feel apprehensive that you are playing team sport, or whenever it comes back, will you be okay in playing in an empty stadium?
It will be a little strange to play in the empty stadium. I don't know how the fans will take it, but as a kid, I have to go back a long way and think how I started playing cricket with nobody watching me. Not we didn't have any of these luxurious stadiums to play in. So I think the life will go back to that again, where if at all whatever rules the cricket board comes up with, we just have to follow that and make sure we try and get to play some game, some sort of cricket. Um, at least people will be able to watch it us on television. At least there's something to be looking forward to.